Hi guys, here's in this video I show you how to use filters on WhatsApp live video calls. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. Here are some steps to consider. Number 1. Update your WhatsApp app. Make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device. This will ensure that you have access to the latest feature and updates, including the filter feature. Number 2. Start a video call. Open WhatsApp and initiate a video call with the person or group you want to connect with. Number 3. Access the filter options. Once the video call is connected, look for the filter icon or option on the screen. The location of this option may vary depending on the version of WhatsApp you are using. It is usually located near the camera or video setting. Number 4. Choose a filter. Tap on the filter icon to open the available filter options. Browse through a different filter and select the one you want to use during the video call. There may be a variety of filters to choose from, such as beauty filter, effects, stickers, or theme filters. Number 5. Apply the filter. After selecting a filter, it will be applied to your video in real time. You will be able to see the filter's effect on your video call screen. The filter will modify your appearance or add visual effect to enhance your video call experience. Number 6. Adjust or remove the filter. If you want to make any adjustment to the filter, such as changing its intensity or removing it altogether, look for corresponding options on screen. These options may allow you to customize the filter settings according to your preferences. In the last, enjoy your filtered video call. Once you have applied and adjust the filter to your liking, continue your watching call as usual. The filter will be visible to the other participant in the call, adding a fun and visually appealing elements to your conversation. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I see you in the next video. Till then, bye.